Hey everyone, it's Ryan Snow with Western Heating and Air. Today I want to talk to you about your water heater. This is a really important appliance in your home. Last thing we want to do is have you go on vacation and you get home and your basement's flooded. If there are some things that we could do to avoid that up front. One of the signs that you want to watch for on your water heater is the recovery time. How long is it going to take for it to heat that water back up? Or maybe it's just running out of hot water really fast. Those are some signs that that water heater could be wearing out and it may be time to replace it. The other thing you want to do is if you're down in your mechanical room and you hear that thing, every time it comes on, it's heating up and it's crackling and popping and you can hear almost bubbles inside there. That means that that tank is actually getting full of sediment. It's going to make it a lot harder for it to heat properly, and it can be a real issue on that tank. Water heaters, they last anywhere from about 8 to 10 years. If you get to that point and you're having these symptoms, you're probably better off to just replace it rather than wait so that you don't have a flood in your basement. The other thing that you want to do, whether it's time to replace it or not, let's get you a water sensor in there to make sure that it'll let you know if there's any water dripping. Sometimes those tanks, they'll just open wide open and they will flood. So they have them now to where it'll actually hook up Wi-Fi and it can sync to your phone and let you know if you have any issues down there. You can get home and shut it off before it floods your basement. If you have any questions, go to our website, westernheatingair.com, or give us a call. We'd be glad to help you out.